My name is Rodrigo Castiñeira. I work for Indra, a Spanish company based in Madrid. I'm the R&D manager in the transport unit of my company, and I'm coordinating projects related to IoT, in artificial intelligence, and also big data in the transport sector. And also, in my case, I was very interested in the session related to artificial intelligence, where I made a presentation yesterday about transforming transport. In this project, Transforming Transport, Indra is developing a sensor that is based on fiber optics. So we exploit the data that is in the fiber optic cable to understand better the mobility patterns in a highway. So with this sensor, we can unlock the potential of the data, and we can detect how many vehicles are in the road, if there is some hit in the guardrails, and also another elements like damage in the surface of the roads. I think IoT is a key enabler for unlock the potential of the data. We can access data, and based on that data, we can apply artificial intelligence, big data technologies to understand better how the systems work. I think Europe is competitive and can lead this battle that we have. We have the right industry and also very good research centers.
My name is David Langley, co-chair of a working group on innovation ecosystems at the AIoTI, the Alliance for Internet of Things Innovation. The AIoTI working group on innovation ecosystems is organizing a masterclass this week, so I'm chairing that session. So innovation ecosystems are a way of looking at the way organizations collaborate together and innovate together. Innovation ecosystems enable different organizations to learn from other parties, to get knowledge, experiences, technologies from other parties, and to understand how together in a particular sector the IoT innovations can actually be implemented. It's not okay, or it's not sufficient that a single organization innovates or implements something new, but it's about the whole sector moving into a new way of working. I think that there are good steps being taken, but there's also a lot still to be done. I think perhaps some European companies have a more wait-and-see attitude, and they will let US firms try things out first before they dare to move into a real IoT in their core strategy. And I think that's perhaps something, a mindset which needs to change.
I'm Sokano. I'm from Japan, and I'm participating artist residency program from STARTS, Vertigo, and my partner is Create IoT. I'm showing the prototype of my installation here. My installation is about having the view of objects. Like for here, I prepared 4 things. One is mouse, which is robotized. Usually it's just input device for computer, but this time this has the camera and also motor to go around, so remotely controlled, and you can become a mouse, and then like you will feel like how is it like to be a mouse. And also this system has the function to go into display, like you become a cursor, and the whole field is the browser, so you're gonna have the different experience of web browsing. And 3 other objects are spy camera. The video stream from the spy cameras also possible to see from the VR headset.
My name is Damien Brown. I'm the founder and CEO of Standard Access. We built the hardware, software and smart lock solution to allow time-restricted monetized access to real estate. So we developed data over sound to unlock doors using your smartphone. I came here to see what is going on in terms of the latest technology in IoT, and with the advent of 5G, it's becoming a very exciting time to to see what we can do with 5G in terms of scalability in the marketplace. And we built a hardware, software and smart lock solution to allow time-restricted monetized access to real estate. So we developed data over sound to unlock doors using your smartphone, as opposed to using Bluetooth or NFC. So we developed an enterprise-level platform which is integrated with some hardware and smart locks to allow that, let's say, for a university or an airport or in an office building. Initially we've been using Wi-Fi, but now with the advent of IoT networks, we can use other networks to do like a large-scale project, like a university campus, where there's no Wi-Fi limitations. And now with 5G coming, it will completely transform our reach and save us a lot of money in the amount of hardware we would have to install normally in a building. It's great that we have, in Europe, we've been very quick to adapt to IoT networks compared to maybe some other countries.
Yeah, my name is Klaus Beetz. I'm with Siemens. I'm at Siemens in the Corporate Technology Vice President for External Corporations. And I'm also in the board of the Alliance Internet of Things Innovation, IoTI. And we have our General Assembly this Friday here in Bilbao at the IoT Week. So these are the main reasons why I'm here. We supported the Spanish railway in the connection between Barcelona and Madrid. And we offer them a complete new business model. We are running together with the Spanish railway, where we guarantee more or less the availability of the whole train. So we sold not only the train, we also overtake the complete maintenance and all, and guarantee availability of 99% for the train. With that, the Spanish railway could offer to their passengers, if they have a delay more than 15 minutes, they will get their money back. Because of our strong focus on Internet of Things technologies, especially also on data analytics. So we listen to the vibration of the mechanical equipment, of the gears, of the train, of the engines, of the doors. We listen to the noise, we analyze the noise, the vibration with sensors, and with that we are able to detect possible issues already upfront when they will happening, and we can take some actions upfront to avoid that something happened during the runtime. For Europe, it is really a great opportunity, IoT, because Europe is still strong in industry, in the automotive, in the airplane, in the machine tool. In all these industries, Europe has a very, very strong position. And with the digitalization of the manufacturing industry, of these industries in Europe, Europe has even the chance to gain back ground in the IT world in a whole. Siemens is engaged in European organizations like the Alliance Internet of Things Association and others like the Big Data Value, a public-private partnership, because we believe that the next step in or the potential that is in the digitalization in the Internet of Things area can only be leveraged by a strong European ecosystem.
My name is Thorsten Hülsmann. I'm the Managing Director of the Industrial Data Space Association from Germany, and I'm also Head of Department at the Fraunhofer Institute of Material Flow and Logistics in Dortmund. We think that the topic of data sovereignty and usage control is one of the key challenges for the next 1 and 2 years when it comes to Internet of Things in the world. I would say the Internet of Things, at least when it comes to logistics and when it comes to Germany, was invented maybe 25 years ago in our institute. So when we think about smart pallets and about tracking and tracing of logistics goods, then this is a story where Internet of Things brought already a very big value into the industry, at least of logistics and warehousing. Today we are facing applications, for instance, like drone technology, which is used in warehouses for autonomous inventory issues. The decentral IoT solutions are one key enabler for today's and also for future industry value chains. Well, I would say it is competitive because the application domains like very deep industry insights are essential for bringing IoT solutions into various vertical industries. And I think this is a very big strength of Europe.
Okay, I am Eneko Zubia. I am the technical director of Imatec, Improvement Advanced Technologies company that was created 2 years ago. And our innovation is this mobile car that we take the quality air measurements, noise and electromagnetic fields in any city in Europe. In this car we do the same job but with fixed instruments, and we needed a lot of time to do this kind of job. And the idea was by the city of Bilbao. So, and we have a lot of data, a big mess in the city. So finally with big data analytic, we can do a lot of different analytic system reports and so on. And it's a great adventure for the city halls technicals.
A huge opportunity.
New services.
Connectivity.
Is the future.
Collaboration.
Connectivity and ordinary devices.
Future.
Just jump.
Connectivity, I think.
Efficiency.
Relationships.
With a raisonnée agriculture.
Efficiency.
Scale.
Interoperability. It's the changing nature of the things.
Dortmund, this is my hometown.
Our IoT mobile car.